Dr. Scott, you just adjusted it and tell me what it said, what it did, how it popped a good one. Or
Yeah. So we set the proximal end of her fibula from posterior to anterior, and a little lateral to medial, but primarily posterior anterior. And it's large audible, one of the bigger fibula adjustments. And last week's adjustment was a large audible. So, like I was telling her, I was a little surprised we got such an audible out of it.
And so I'm just standing here. I don't even want to move. I can. For the moment, there's less pressure at the distal ankle. So I'm bending, I'm bending a little bit. There's less pressure right here. Look, I can bend a little. I'm afraid just to even walk out of here because it's not going to last. I wish it would. I mean, I've got heavy tape on it. I just wish it would last. But at least for the moment, I can tell you that I got better dorsiflexion. I'm bending without it, it's not poking me through here. I mean, so I'm shaky because, you change one set of spasming soreness for another, But I think you can see I can bend pretty good in it. But I'm afraid to even stand up. The bone's not going to stay put. I'll see you next week. Thank you.